I'm just saying, if you woke up today, you're already winning, you know. Let me say what I've been feeling lately. Yeah.
I've been trying to balance out the way I'm feeling lately. I know sometimes it's slowly and this quarantine is crazy, but the steps in life we take, we cannot take for granted. I'm trying to put my name into the city, then the planet. Yeah, I'm always one to stay depressing in life, but I can't help it if I think about the future, my wife, my kids, the glory and the dreams I will achieve. But before anyone else does, I first gotta believe.
Yeah, man. That light is anything and everything. It's God, it's life, it's the universe. It's you, love.
I know I got enough friends back in my hometown. They probably thinking of me and what I am on now. I think about them too, thinking I should call them up before our time is up and before I finally get to the top. Man, I'm sick with it, and plus I stick with it. All these other guys Minute Maid, and that's a quick minute. Don't worry about the future and all the secrets that it hides, but keep your eyes on the snakes that come inside the divide.
Và các chuyên tôi thì có bằng hành tế anh các bạn thấy cái đẹp đi lên.
When you first said it was over, yeah, it all went black. Didn't get any closure, like a heart attack. But then you came back with flowers, explaining for hours how you intend on winning me back. How could I have known you were still half detached? And I hoped things would change, but I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. Pull the knife straight out of my back. Next time do a better job and cover up your tracks. I can smell
좀 덕분에 좀
아니 오자마자 지도가 내가 바로 앞차 그 뒤에
아우
좌석 벨트를 매주시기 바랍니다. Ladies and gentlemen.